Okay, so hello guys, and let's kick off this summer videos with another NT talk. Okay, so in the recent weeks we have been hearing rumors about the new Pixel 3. And to be honest, I'm very excited about this phone since it's from Google. And last year Google did a very good job regarding software in the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL. Well, the hardware wasn't that bad. I mean, it was pretty okay, I guess, but yeah, it wasn't the best of the best. So I was expecting for this year the Google Pixel 3 to be a top-notch hardware phone and the best in terms of software. I mean, it wouldn't be the best in terms of hardware, as I said. It would be top-notch, but not the best one. I mean, the iPhone 10, which will come this September, I thought it would be better and stuff, but as it turns out, it won't even compete with the iPhone 10 or the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or even the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. And that's because of the design of it. Now, I mean, the screen protectors that were leaked, they seem pretty sketchy just because there are two cameras on the front. I mean, if there are two cameras on the front, yeah, they may be for like something like Face ID or something, I guess, because, you know, they copied, the Google Pixel team copied Apple in terms of the whole headphone jack ditching thing, so why wouldn't they copy them regarding Face ID? And also, if they do Face ID on the front, which is directly copying Apple, then why wouldn't they put two lenses on the back of the Pixel 3? So that means the new Pixel 3 will be good in terms of hardware, and I mean, it will take the best pictures in the market, that for sure. I mean, even with one lens, it would take better pictures, just because it has this amazing software that Google distributes, but it will have this ugly design. And also, from my experience with Google now, I don't have the experience with their phones, but from what I've heard over the years, Google, even if they add a second lens or Face ID or whatever, they won't be focusing on hardware, which means that the display will be like mediocre and stuff. The notch won't be so good, so like elegant like other phones. I mean, even the iPhone X's notch is a bit elegant because, you know, it has that height, which is okay. I mean, it just takes a little bit of the screen, and it has a big width, like, but whatever. I mean, the width, we knew that it would be pretty, like, wide, so whatever. So yeah, the Pixel 3 will be ugly, as well as the Pixel 3 XL. Now, if they will do a better job with the hardware and software integration, I don't know. But the thing is that I'm not seeing a huge improvement in the Pixel lineup. I mean, if Google wanted to shake the market to make a big step forward, they would do what the supposed leaks in the Android P beta showed, which was that thing, you know, with the uniform bezel all around, and I guess they would incorporate something like a fingerprint sensor behind the screen, or I mean a camera which pops up. I mean, if they want to pioneer in the industry, and if they want to sell more Pixels this year, I mean, they have to go that route. But it seems like Google will disappoint me and all of the other Pixel fans out there. I mean, I'm not actually a Pixel fan, I'm more a fan of Xiaomi, but whatever runs stock Android, I like it because, like, I've installed Pixel Experience, which is a stock ROM on my Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, so you know that I like the stock ROM better than any other Android ROM. So if you can combine stock ROM, best of the best hardware, and this Google Camera app, which I also have on my Redmi Note 4X and may be reviewing in the near future. So if you can combine all of these things, then I guess it will be a good phone, but I don't think it will sell better than last year's Pixel 2, and I don't also think that it will be a direct competitor to the iPhone X or the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus even. So that was the anti-talk for today, guys. I'm coming up with some new ideas for videos in the near future, so stay tuned for these, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.